So in this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find vacant land listings for sale here on Realtor.ca. So once you open up Realtor.ca, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left, press on search, and find your area. So for this example, how about I find examples in, let's just go with Edmonton, Alberta, just like this. Once you're in your selected region, go to the top right and press on filters. Now, if you're looking for vacant land listings, you can either go to the residential right here, or you can go to commercial as well. It doesn't really matter. The same thing does apply. Press on where it says property type, and once you're here, you can find vacant land. And if you're looking for commercial vacant land, you can press on search just like this. And now what it's going to be showing you is the listings right here. Same thing works for residential as well. Press on residential, go down to where it says property type, make sure that vacant land is selected just like this. Go to the bottom right, press on search, and it's the exact same thing. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find vacant land listings here on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.